Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Abha here, your psychic medium, and today we are going to do Scorpio general reading for the month of September. We will see what is going on, what are current energies surrounding Scorpio, and where is it heading towards in the month of September, what you can expect in coming days, and what's happening right now. Let's see. So we will start with overall theme of the month for Scorpio for the month of September. Overall theme of the month of September for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Those who are born under Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. For them, overall theme of the month for September. Wow, we have two cards. Lovers. Wow, harmony, balance, love, romance. This is the theme of the month for you. Another card we have is the card of Hermit. Hermit is talking about being in solitude, taking your time, spending some time with yourself, analyzing over everything. Hermit is talking about finding answers within, seeking solitude, meditation. So you need to meditate in order to find answers, solution within this situation, because overall theme of the month is Lovers and Hermit. So it means somewhere you need to find some answers related to relationships or love or balance within your situation. Okay, so this was your theme. So now we are going to do a reading through tarot card and see what is current situation with Scorpio and where is it heading towards in the month of September. Okay, what is current situation with Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and where is it heading towards in the month of September? What is current situation with Scorpio? And heading towards. What is current situation with Scorpio? And where is it heading towards in the month of September? Spirits and guides, please guide us through this reading and help us with this reading. Okay, so these are the jumpers. So first I'll tell you the Three of Cups tells me that somewhere within your situation you are not getting along with people around you. Somewhere you are trying to spend, as Hermit came, you know, that you are spending more time with yourself. Okay, there's the card, where's the card? Okay, Hermit. So as Hermit said that you theme of the month is being in solitude. So Three of Cups is also talking about the same thing, that this is a time to spend more time with yourself, and but try to avoid excesses in anything. This could mean that you need to work with yourself first in this situation. King of Cups, it seems that somewhere in your surrounding is somebody who is very kind and helpful. It could also mean that you are being very emotional when it comes to love and relationship, and you have somebody who has a lot of warmth and love for you in your surroundings. Ten of Swords tells me you are resisting some sort of endings here. You are resisting some sort of endings. Hermit again. Wow, lot of Hermit in your reading, Scorpio. It seems that you need to spend a lot of time with yourself in solitude, meditating, trying to seek answers within yourself. And this is the overall month theme. So it seems a lot of meditation is required to gain that balance within this situation, to seek answers spiritually within this situation. So we have shuffled already, and so bottom of the deck is Hangman. Again, Hangman energy is a card of pause mode, reflecting back on this issue. And Sun is a card of gaining clarity. So by reflecting back again on this issue, by spending some time alone working on this issue, will lead you to more clarity in the situation in the month of September. So heart of the matter right now is Page of Cups reverse. So somewhere you emotionally are quite exhausted. It seems that you may be feeling some sort of deception, not exactly, but yeah, somewhere you feel that emotionally you are something is breaking down somewhere, and hindrance which is coming is family, happiness, harmony, that happiness around. So you're quite that hindrance which is they're in this situation, in this love or relationship situation, because overall theme of the month is love and relationship, also because we have both the cards of cups in situation and hindrance position. So which means somewhere this is more leading towards relationships. These relationships could be within the family or with your husband or with your partner or with anyone, but overall theme is related to somewhere about relationship and seeking answers within. Now root cause, why is it happening, is because somewhere people around you are not very trustworthy. They are guarded, and somewhere you are losing hope in this situation. You may be feeling that politics is happening around you within your home environment. In the recent past, Eight of Cups tells me that you are moving on from, you were investing into something and then you changed your direction in the recent past. You moved on from that emotionally. At present, Six of Wands talking about recognizing. So you are recognizing this fact that somewhere some people are guarded around you and they may be playing politics, or there are some people around you which are against you. So now you are recognizing this, you are seeing this situation in this way. This is in your conscious mind. Though you are being recognized also by people around you, but they are not very loyal and trustworthy. So in coming days I can see Four of Wands reverse. Four of Wands reverse is talking about the foundations are still shaky. Foundations are still not very firm in coming days, and you will somewhere feel that things are getting unstable, especially at home front. How you are seeing this situation, you want things to progress, you want to move on from the situation, you want to move forward, or you want the situation to move forward. How other people are seeing you, they think that you are highly confused, they think that you lack direction. People in your surroundings, they think that you are lacking direction, you are confused, and so there is a communication gap with people around you. So you are somewhere experiencing that communication gap, or somebody in your surrounding is not opening up or communicating clearly the truth. Somewhere they may be lying to you. It could mean that also. In the position of hopes and fears, we have a card of Empress. So Empress is telling me that you are hoping for harmony, growth, nurturing. You are hoping for progress. You're hoping. This could also mean that somebody is hoping to become a mother, because Empress is a card of a mother. So this is what your expectation or hopes are. But in the position of outcome, we have a card of Page of Wands reverse, which is again a deceiver. Somebody who is not honest, somebody who is sneaky, somebody in your surroundings who could be who is not ready to confront the situation with you, who is somewhere trying to avoid that kind of confrontation. Or it could mean that somebody is keeping an eye on you. Page of Swords reverse. We will clarify this. What is Page of Swords reverse here? What is Page of Swords reverse here? What is Page of Swords reverse here? Okay, too many cards, so we will just shuffle them again. Today I'm not very. These are new cards, so why is Page of Swords reverse here? Why is Page of Swords reverse here? Why is Page of Swords here? Reverse here? Why is Page of Swords reverse here? Yeah, Magician reverse, again a deceiver. So Page of Swords reverse and Magician reverse, both of them are telling me the same story. Somebody is not very truthful, somebody who is trying to deceive somebody. Magician reverse again is telling me that you don't have all the tools to manifest the situation, but this is temporary. This is only a reading of September month. We will see what's happening in your birthday month, in your season of Scorpio later on after Libra. So sorry, Libra season I don't know where I'm right now. Yeah, so in the Libra season, what will happen with you guys, we will see later on. But right now I feel that somewhere somebody in your surrounding is deceiving, and which is causing this instability in your home front. And this may be in your surroundings, in your home environment, or in your friend circle, somebody who is not very trustworthy. So you need to be very careful, Libra, for the month of Scorpio, for the month of September. You need to be very careful, Scorpio. So we will see what is the guidance for Scorpio for the month of September. What is guidance for the month of September for Scorpio? Okay. Wow. So friendship. It talks about make a date for a play day with one or more friends. So you need to get out of your home and spend some time with your friends, as you are experiencing some sort of an instability at home. So you need to spend some time out with friends, go out, and also watch your thoughts. Don't be negative, because people around you could be causing some hindrance, some blockages for you, but then you should be very positive within the situation, in order to, so that whatever is happening shouldn't affect you or your environment. And this friend, this is a card of a friendship. So you need to go out and make, you need to meet people, so that you find your way out within this situation. We can ask the cards what to do with this deceiver, somebody who is trying to make this situation unstable for Scorpio. What should Scorpio do in order to, okay, this could be somebody from the past, could be a past friend, or somebody with a karmic connection. Just need to be very careful with this person. Otherwise it is a month of solitude. It is a month of seeking within. Solitude doesn't mean that you don't need to go out and meet friends. You should meet friends, you should go out, but then you should also